you.
Don't be afraid, little snipe. I am a wilderness explorer, so I am a friend to all of nature. Want some more?
You're a Buzz Lightyear! Any other toy would give up his moving parts just to be you! You got wings! You glow in the dark! Your helmet does that whoosh thing!
Ma. Crunchy, creamy cookie candy cupcake.
Okay. Good job, buddy. Mission accomplished.
Okay.
Then why are we going so slow?
As someone wonderful once told me, it doesn't matter where you came from. What matters is who you choose to be.
I guess this means the secret formula is safe forever. No, never! I am on Team Krabs for life!